Make your own gummies this season. Start with 1/4 cup plus 1/8 cup of cold water, sprinkle 3 packets of unflavored gelatin on top and allow it to bloom. This may take a few minutes, but give it a chance to absorb that moisture. Then you're going to stir in 1/3 cup of sugar and 1/3 cup of glucose or corn syrup. Heat over low temperature until fully dissolved and no more chunkies. Then add your food coloring. We chose neon green here, perfect for the season. We want bright, vibrant bugs. Stir until fully dissolved. Then add tart and sour. This is a flavor enhancer. A little bit makes it tart, a little bit more makes it sour. We're choosing in between 6 drops. Then we're going to follow up with our choice of flavoring. You can make your Jello, gummy worms, any flavor you'd like, but we're choosing key lime for this particular recipe. We think 6 drops is plenty for great key lime flavor without any bitterness. Pour it over into an easy pour container. This makes it easier to put into those little molds. We chose a variety of bugs, perfect again for Halloween. Pour it up to the top of the line, scrape off any bubbles for better clarity. Then put in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes and you have this. Then gently peel back your first one to test. If it comes off clean, you're ready to go. Pull the others out and you have amazing gummy critters, gummy worms, gummy bugs. But you don't have to stop here. Why don't you create gummy eyes? I give you permission to play with your food. In the bottom of the mold, you'll start with a drop or 2 of black for that iris, then add a little bit of green, allowing each of these to firm up before adding the next layer, which has white food coloring added to the gelatin. Paintbrush the veins on and you have one creepy looking eye. If you like what you saw, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks and have a great day.